I'm Jim Carnall. I'm the Chief Executive Officer for Command Medical Products, LLC. Yeah, so we engaged James Moore to do our taxes and auditing probably about 12 or 13 years ago. For about the first 10 or so years of that, we had controllers, high-level accountants, maybe lower-level CFOs, but in hindsight, they were more just doing the tactical stuff and not really more strategic things that we actually could have used. And I've known Mike for a long time, and he's been a sounding board for me because he speaks manufacturing, not just accounting. And so we kind of became friends. I think at the end of 2021, my controller quit abruptly. And Mike and the team from James Moore stepped in to kind of bridge the gap. So I asked Mike if he would engage with us more on a fractional CFO role. From there, probably the value that Mike brought to that point is he helped us get our financials organized. We didn't realize how unorganized they were. I guess I'd say another aha moment is when Mike started helping us with data analytics and peeling back the onion a little bit more to help us understand things that we didn't even know were issues and providing more timely, more accurate reports that we could then use to improve the business. As we went through the sales process, it really made it go smoother and helped the companies that were looking at buy us understand our financials and understand that having somebody like Mike and James Moore involved really gave credibility to the financials. The biggest impact that I can see that Mike and James Moore has brought to the company is really to help us get our financials more organized, more accurate, and allowed us to dig more into our costs so that we could end up figuring out how to become more profitable. I think the one thing about James Moore that I've told people, I think they will see the value that I'm seeing without having to have a full-time person or a full-time cost associated with it, that you can actually, in the short term, make a lot of progress with less costs by employing James Moore as your fractional company.